Google Pixel 3 rumors begin, and this time they include more than just two phones. We get more renders of the iPhone SE 2 2018 that confirm the new features, and we get more additional renders of the OnePlus 6 showing off the complete package. I'm Jaime Rivera. Diego asked me to make a joke about the shirts. I found the coolest one, and if you're interested in any, in the description and in the comments you will find the link for 10% off. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you want to get yourself a new iPhone 10, there are buy one get one free deals in T-Mobile. Almost. You get $700 off if you buy an iPhone 10, which pretty much leaves you paying $450, which is definitely a lot better than paying $1,000. But again, it's not technically buy one get one free. You can learn more about it in the description. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, as we hear that there will be an early launch, and apparently this phone will bring a couple of differences according to trusted sources. The first one is it's 2mm shorter than the current Galaxy Note, which is great. The Note 8 is a large phone. And second, I don't know how that's going to happen with the rumors that the battery is getting larger, but most important, aside from the early launch, is apparently the fact that it won't bring the on-display fingerprint scanner. It seems that Samsung is going to stick with this a little longer. Hopefully there are other changes. We'll see. Now, for those of you that are wondering exactly what the OnePlus 6 will look like, yes, I will be at the event in London. And it's going to be rather interesting, as I thought that it was going to look like the R15 Pro, and the CAD render images that just emerged make it look like if it looks different, at least from the back. I mean, it seems that the notch display is coming, but then the back has vertical cameras. Pretty much the original leaks that I considered to be fake are real. If this is the case, we'll see. Now, you know the way it goes. Once case makers get their hands on a design, you can pretty much say it's close to final. iPhone SE 2 once again case renders. Yesterday we saw the phone from the front, no Touch ID, so apparently Face ID with a smaller notch. But today we finally get renders of the back where we see full glass. So it could be that it does bring wireless charging. There is no fingerprint scanner back there to be seen, so hey, I mean, it seems that this is the way it's going. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Google Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, and famous tipster Evan Blass, who claims that we're getting these two phones in the fall, along with a smartwatch for running Wear OS. Bear in mind, Evan is really good about leaks. I've known him for years, but apparently we've got other sources claiming that there are 3 smartwatches, codenamed Ling, Triton, and Sarton. What exactly are we getting here, and did I pronounce these names correctly? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But in today's question, let me know. Are you looking forward to the Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, and smartwatches? Because, oh my god, you know, I've tested every phone this year. It's very hard to pick a good phone. Sorry, to pick the best phone out of all the products, but the Pixel 2 XL continues to be one of the best. Leave us a comment down below. I can't wait to hear your opinion on this. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the camera of the Samsung Galaxy S9 down here. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.